The PD Series grader from Level Best, the industry standard precision grading box. This video will demonstrate the correct procedure to start your new Holland CTL or skid steer loader and how to engage continuous flow to the grader's hydraulic valve. Continuous flow is necessary for proper operation of the grading box and to avoid damaging the hydraulic valve. We will also explain the joystick functions that operate the Level Best precision grading box. After you enter the loader's cab, pull the safety bar down across your lap. The loader will not turn on until you do this. These are the 4 steps to start the loader and engage continuous flow. 1. Push the power button to turn on the loader. 2. Push the start button to start the engine. 3. Push the operate button to release the parking brake. 4. On the right joystick, roll the center hydraulic roller switch to the left until it locks in position. Engage automatic mode on the control panel of the system you are using. On the Leica system installed here, steady lights indicate auto mode. When the auto mode lights blink, it indicates that you are in manual mode. Anytime the cab door is opened, you must pull the safety bar down again and repeat steps 3 and 4 to re-engage continuous flow. These are the joystick functions that operate the Level Best grader in manual mode. On the right joystick, the AUX 1 button controls the left and right tilt of the box. Pushing the top of the button raises the right side of the box. Pushing the bottom of the button lowers the right side. Also on the right joystick, the rocker switch on the upper right selects auto or manual mode. Pressing the top of the switch engages auto mode. In auto mode, the grading box will be controlled by the laser receivers mounted on the masts. Pressing the bottom of the switch engages manual mode. Manual mode enables you to control the grading box independent of the laser receivers. On the left joystick, the AUX 3 button controls elevation. Push the top of the button to raise the box. Push the bottom of the button to lower the box. While in auto mode, you can still use the manual mode joystick functions to temporarily override auto. Releasing the control immediately returns the system to auto. For more information on connecting hydraulics between the new Holland loader and the Level Best grader, click on the hydraulic connection link below. PD grading boxes can grade level, single slope, and dual slope 2D applications, as well as GPS, robotic total station, and sonic 3D jobs. ATI Corporation has kits that will interface with all those systems, so no matter what combination of systems you use, Level Best has you covered. To benchmark your grader relative to your laser, click on the benchmarking video link below. For more information on setting up a dual slope job, click on the dual slope link below. For more specific product information, visit our website or call 1-800-342-0905.